This is environmental monitoring and analysis. This is one of my friends' labs. They are dealing with environmental monitoring and analysis of some parameters, the water, air pollution, and the related environmental components. But I'm going to take you in my labs, where I'll be enjoying some of the labs, analytical related instruments that I'm having. For sure, my lab is good. It's dealing with some also parameters of the environment, because I am within the ecological and biodiversity labs of Tezpur University in India. Currently, I am doing my PhD in that particular university. I am from the United Republic of Tanzania. I am Mr. Marunguja. I am taking you to my labs. Let's go. You will enjoy it. How equipped it is and how well the labs is looking for any analytical related activities. Hope you will enjoy it. This is my lab. It's one of my labs. I'm having 3 labs in this department. Here is one of the instruments that I use to make it analytical. It's called Spectrophotometer. I have this one, the modern models. At the same time, I am having the old model, which is also here. It's up to you. This one. This is also spectrophotometer. You know the function of spectrophotometer for some of the analytical related micronutrients and related. We are having this. You see these instruments? It's called the furnace. You know the function of the furnace for burning of some instrument into ashes. At the end of the day, we let on calculating the percentage of a particular element. I am having the incubator, very useful one. This is mine. Does not belong to somebody. It's within my labs. You can find some of my samples are there. Okay. This is the hot oven, digital ones. Within it, you'll find some of my samples are there. Yeah. I'm having the hot oven, the manual of which I can adjust accordingly. This is not digital. This is the manual. So I'm having both manual and digital. I'm having the freezer here. I'll be keeping of my samples. They are here. A lot of samples you'll find in my freezer. Here you'll find a lot of my samples. Okay, you can enjoy it. A lot of my samples. On the other sides, I'm having the weighing balances. They are here. This one with different accuracy. This is 0.1 accuracy. This is 0.001 accuracy. It's up to you. I am having the water shaker in my labs. I am having water bath in my labs, which is very important. Good enough. This is what we call the microwave digester systems. Microwave digester systems. And then we come here. I will show you. This is the other instruments, very useful ones. Right? The centrifuge, it's here. But for sure, today I'm going to explain you a bit about the so-called automation nitrogen detection systems. The so-called automation nitrogen detection systems. This is the system itself that I'm talking about. This is the so-called a nitrogen automation detection system, of which I am still performing some experiments up to now. The system has got 3 main activities. First of the activities is digestion. This is the digester system up here. It's important. The main activities is to digest the particular sample that you are having. Probably you are having as a plant-related samples or soil-related samples. And you want to determine the amount of nitrogen in that particular sample. Having informed that nitrogen cannot normally comes in a bonding style within a complex structure of which it's not easy to detect it in a normal way. Therefore, we need to take a particular sample within the digesting systems of which we digest that particular sample to extract the nitrogen in form of either ammonium ions or in a simple ways of which it's easy for detection. After the digestion system is over, we come to the second part of the system, which is distillation unit. This is the distillation unit. We digest the sample first, then we make the dilution, which is automation, dilution. Then after dilution, we end up with so-called titration. Therefore, I have tried to explain a bit about how we carry out distillation systems with the use of this automation nitrogen system, the Kjeldah. And today, I am doing this, the so-called digestion. Here, these are the samples. Sample 1, 2, 3, 4, sample 8. We already have set the system, is running. As you can see, water pumping here. These are the absorbers. They are strength pumping within the system. And therefore, at the end of the day, I will have my samples that have been digested to the distillation units. Then after the distillation unit, I will do the so-called titration. So that at the end of the day, I will be calculating for the amount of nitrogen in the given sample. Apart from that, I am having the water filtration systems. This is my filtration systems. At the end of the day, I will be having a distilled water. I just set this on my own. No need of having a technician to make on this. It's my own work. I know it and I can perform it for you. Therefore, while we continue with this class, I'll be taking from one instrument to another, the way it performs, how it operates, why do we do this and why not this one. But let's do it. We'll start this after the run. Thank you for today.